Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got a glossy box to share with you, and it's a special edition of beauty box this month. It's a tray. It's really pretty. I really like this. I used to see a lot of beauty boxes doing trays, and it's so handy because obviously you can stack them up then, can't you? So this is what it looks like inside. Okay, so Glossybox is a monthly beauty subscription box. It costs £13.50 a month, and that includes shipping. You can opt for a 3, 6 or 12-month subscription at reduced cost. I have a refer friend code which will entitle you to receive your first box for £8.50. I'll pop it up on the screen, but I'll also pop it down below as well. Inside you'll find 5 beauty items, and sometimes we get the odd freebie. This month we've got a freebie which I'll show you at the end. So if you're interested in this subscription for yourself, as always you'll find links down below in my description, as well as discount codes and offers to other websites and any giveaways I've got currently running. So you're welcome to take a look down there. So yeah, so let's scan the QR code. So has it got a name? It's Winter Secrets. That's the theme this month. I've just scanned through the information which I'll refer to as we go through it, but I just wanted to see if we had any sneak peeks for next month, and we don't. It's just the Heartfelt Beauty edit. No photo or anything like that. But they're advertising the Valentine's limited edition. No idea of what's inside, cost, nothing. It's just mentioning that they will be bringing out a Valentine's edit. Okay, so let's go back to the products then. It's a really pretty put together box this month. Besides the box, I'll just give you a better look. It's really pretty, isn't it? The colours and everything. And the products look really good as well. Starting off then with one of my favourite products. It is from Korres. It's a Greek brand, and this is Probiotic Superdose Face Mask. It's to nourish and rebalance, and there's 20 mils there. Whenever I go to Greece, I always come back with a Korres product. Last time I went, I bought a little perfume bottle to spray. And then the time before that, I bought a face mask as well. Not this one though, it's a clay face mask. I have tried this a few times though. I've had it in different beauty boxes, and it's a really nice one. This is deluxe size, and the full size would cost you £19.50. The first ever probiotic superdose mask, formulated with the highest ever content of real Greek yogurt, delivers instant cooling with a microdose of probiotics to nourish skin. So yes, we've got a face mask by Korres. This is from Bare Beauty, and this is fresh cotton. It's a scented candle. If you can see the packaging there. Oh, the smell is gorgeous. Really nice and fresh, as you'd imagine, as it should be. Oh, it does. It smells really, really nice. So yeah, we've got the candle there. I don't know what else I can tell you about it. Let's see. It's deluxe size, and the retail value is £8.93. I'm not sure if that is what it's worth, or if you're to buy the full size. Fresh cotton scent in a small glass jar adds sophistication to any space, filling it with a clean, refreshing aroma. Yeah, I like that. Next we've got a brush, and this is in collaboration with Carina Brushes. Look at the packaging. It's so pretty, isn't it? I don't think I've ever heard of this brand before. Carina. It's a face mask brush, but you can use it for anything, but it's specifically for a face mask, and it retails for £8. Handy that we got a brush to go with a face mask as well. It just says can be used with any liquids, including foundation. Next we've got some eye masks from Wonder Beauty. This is Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks, and there's 1 pair in there. Experience 3 nourishing layers of luxury. The gold foil helps retain heat and prevents evaporation, allowing the maximum amount of serum to hydrate the skin. The middle layer is elastic, allowing the masks to adhere better to skin. And the third is a cellulose fibre that condenses and delivers key ingredients, giving you all the skin loving benefits you need. And it just says to leave on for 10 to 15 minutes. It's full size, so you can buy them at this size, and it'll cost you £3.88. That. And then lastly we have got, this is Earth Skin London Hydro Surge. It's a gel cleanser, maintains skin's hydration and protective barrier, enhanced with chamomile and gotu kola, and there's 100 mils there. It effectively removes impurities while maintaining moisture balance, leaving your skin feeling clean, smooth and revitalised. Ideal for daily use or on all skin types. It's full size and it retails for £24.99. I just wanted to sniff it more than anything. So it's a gel cleanser. Oh, right in my nose. Oh, that smells really nice. Oh, it smells like a really gorgeous, fresh, sort of marine type shower gel. That just smells amazing. I really like that. So one to put in the shower. Yeah, I love that. The smell is absolutely gorgeous. So nice. And then, added freebies, we have got 2 nighttime organic pucker tea bags here. So there's all the products inside this month's Glossybox. I think it's so good. This is definitely a keepsake box, so I'll be keeping that. Good for like nail polishes or like makeup removing pads or anything really. I love a little tray box, but the products themselves as well. The gel cleanser I'll definitely use. Smells are gorgeous. The face mask I've used before. No, I love it. We'll use the brush as well with it, which is handy. The under eye masks, I could use that at the same time as I use the mask as a bit of extra pampering. And yeah, the candle is a little bit different, which I like, and it smells really gorgeous. I do think this is a really good box this month, but as always, I would love to know your thoughts. What do you think of it? Are you a subscriber? Are you happy with the content? Or are you watching this thinking, shall I subscribe or not this month? I'd love to hear, so please comment down below. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.